Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you guys can pin and unpin like folders from the quick access bar over here. So to unpin a folder, what you're going to want to do is right click on a folder. Right click and just press unpin from quick access and it will unpin it from there. And to pin a folder to quick access, you're just going to right click on the folder again and press pin to quick access. If you want to remove it completely from this quick access part over here, you're just going to right click and press remove from quick access and it will just be removed completely from this bar. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!